What's up? In this video, we're going to cover dynamics. To put it in simple terms, dynamics are how hard or soft we play. For scratching, this applies to how slow or fast we push the record. When pushing or pulling the record fast, the pitch is higher. When pushing or pulling the record slowly, the pitch is lower. Dynamics can be played with a kick, a snare, or any sound that you want to use. I'm going to scratch from low to high. This is called a crescendo. You can also do this with different techniques like the chirp. Now that we've covered the basics of crescendos, I'm going to change things up and play over a beat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dynamics are important because they allow us to express emotion in our playing, and they give our scratches feeling. You can find examples of crescendos in our book, Scratching Made Easy, Turntable Method. Links are in the description. Peace.